Welcome to Avensys training on the Mac 2000 resting ECG system. The Mac 2000 uses an analysis program to assist physicians in making accurate cardiac diagnosis, providing a simple to use ECG solution. This training package provides you with an introduction to the Mac 2000 covering unit overview, system startup, keyboard navigation and acquiring an ECG. This training package does not replace the operator's manual that came with your system. All operators should be conversant with the operator's manual before using the Mac 2000. System overview. On the right side of the unit is the port to connect the patient cable. On the rear of the unit you will find the data transfer connections, an SD card slot, an Ethernet LAN connection, two USB ports that can be used for an optical barcode reader and Wi-Fi, two communication ports for data connectivity to CS or Muse systems, and a phone jack for an analog phone line that connects to an internal modem. The power connector at the back of the unit should be plugged in whenever possible to keep the internal battery fully charged. On the top of the unit is the built-in keyboard and display screen. The on-off power key is on the upper left side of the keyboard. Next to the power key are two LEDs. The amber battery LED. A solid light means the battery is charging. If the light is flashing, it indicates the battery is low. The other LED, if solid green, indicates the unit is plugged in and receiving power. Use the leads key to scroll through the lead options and select the display formats. The ECG key is used to acquire and print a 12-lead ECG. Pressing the rhythm key will print a continuous real-time rhythm. To stop printing, press the stop key. The trim pad provides navigation through the menus and windows by moving the cursor left, right, up or down through the data fields. The center button selects the field in which the cursor is currently resting. System startup. Upon starting, the unit carries out a self-test. When the self-test passes, the unit is ready for acquiring an ECG, as indicated at the top left-hand side of the screen. Waveforms and waveform quality are identified by lead labels. The format of the display and the operating mode are shown at the top of the display. System time and date, battery indicator, heart rate, hookup advisor signal quality indicator, and any storage information are all displayed along the top of the screen. Keyboard navigation. Across the bottom of the screen are blue tabs that correspond to the silver buttons or soft keys just below the tab. The blue tabs are either menu headings or options and will change according to the menu chosen. To choose a particular function, press this corresponding soft key beneath the menu item. For example, to enter patient data, press the soft key below the patient data tab. The patient data entry tab will open. Enter the patient ID using the numeric keypad. The trim pad or enter key is used to navigate through the data fields. For drop-down menus such as the gender field, ensure the data field is highlighted, then press the display key on the keypad to display the list of choices. Use the trim pad to navigate the list. Select the option by pressing the center key. To select radial button options, highlight the data field and use the center key to select or deselect. It is important to include the patient's age and gender, as these two fields are critical to the built-in analysis program. To advance to other data entry fields, press the soft key beneath the Page Down tab. When complete, press the soft key beneath the Save tab to save the information. Acquiring an ECG. With the leads connected to the patient, whilst in the resting ECG mode, press the ECG button on the keypad. The system will acquire a 10-second ECG and display a print preview. Press the Continue soft key to print. Otherwise, press the Cancel soft key and then press the ECG key on the keypad to reacquire the 12-lead ECG. Pressing the Save soft key will store the ECG. For further ECG setup options, please see the operator's manual. To load the printing paper, press down on the silver lever on the side of the unit. The printer door will open. Slide in the new paper, making sure that the hole is at the top left corner of the paper drawer. Pull the top page of the paper over the roller and between the two indents. Then close the door. Prior to placing leads, patient skin preparation must be completed to ensure good contact. For more comprehensive instruction, please consult your operator's manual which came with the unit.